Good evening and welcome to another episode of the Gear Reviews by Behel and Berry. I'm Behel, he's Berry. Today we are discussing luggage. We are discussing luggage that we use on our rides, and this luggage that we are going to show you has been tried and tested over extensive kilometers and through all kinds of terrain and all kinds of weather. And remember, please, this is not a recommendation, this is only sharing experiences. So let's start. We are going to start off by something which I don't like, but he loves it.
Alright guys, this is a top case, very essential as per me, alright, and it's very comfortable to tour with this because you don't need any bungee cords. You just flip it open and put your luggage in, and when you reach your destination, you have to go into a hotel or a homestay. You just click one button and it is out, and you can carry it to your room. So it's quite easy. That's why I prefer top cases.
Can you just open and show it, please?
Sure, I can. So this particular model has got 39 liters of space, and this is the bare minimum that you should buy. It's got enormous amount of space. You can even carry your helmet in this for your city rides in case you're going to pick somebody up and that person does not have a helmet.
He was talking about he doesn't need bungee cords.
This is for any emergency, you know. So that's why I've kept it.
Yeah.
Alright, so as I said, you can even keep a helmet in this in case you are going to pick somebody up and that person does not have a helmet, and you can carry an extra one.
So basically this is a suitcase on a bike,
You can say that.
but it's really ugly.
That's alright. It's function over form always. Isn't it? You said it.
No, I say that all the time, but just maybe I just have a mental block.
It's convenient.
Does this make the bike wobble or
No, it
tail
doesn't.
heavy?
It doesn't. It doesn't. Oh, provided you keep the weight within specified limits. And this has got a limit of 8 kilograms.
How much is this thing for?
This costed me about 10,000 rupees. And you need a top rack also, which is an extra cost.
And how do you take this thing off?
Alright.
Is it easy?
Yeah, it's very easy. You just press this button and it's out. And you can carry it just like a suitcase. It's that easy. So just slide it back in and it goes here. Done.
Maybe I should reconsider.
Oh yeah.
Provided, this looks...
Alright, so Ashish, let's talk about your thing, what you like.
So Sumit, I usually use a tail bag. This is 35 liters. And why I like this tail bag is it kind of fits here. It comes with its own straps to mount to the bike.
Straps.
Yes.
So it takes fair amount of time when you load
Actually, no. You know me. I like things which are simple. You can just attach the straps to the bike, and
Okay.
it's like putting on a belt.
it. Alright.
And when you are on long rides and this comes up till here, it also gives you kind of a back support.
Ah, yes. I don't have that.
Now this is one. Then sometimes if you are going on an even longer ride, so these are saddle bags.
Correct.
These are again all-weather saddle bags.
Yeah.
So this would somewhat come on like this.
Okay, but you need saddle stays with it, right?
Not really.
Which is an extra cost? No?
Not really.
Okay.
If you mount them over the shocker, it will take the support of the shocker.
Alright, so this is basically in motorcycles which are not monoshock basically.
Correct.
For them.
So
okay.
I use this on my Interceptor and then this.
But guys, even if you have a monoshocker motorcycle, you can put saddle stays and put this over them.
Yes.
So
What this setup gives to me is I keep the saddle bags kind of fixed. So I'll put my over jacket or one layer up and one layer minus, or extra pair of gloves or chain and loop. This is what I detach from the bike when I have to get into the hostel.
okay.
This is of course assuming. Now this is a tank bag which I think you are using now.
Yeah, but unfortunately I can't use it on the tank because the KTMs are known for being plastic. So I use it on the tail.
So use it on the tail, and I use this Via Terra tail bag which will sit like this.
Has it got a magnet?
It's got a magnet and your favorite cords, bungee cords. You can tie it down anyhow.
Okay.
So my go-to device to tie anything down is this lifesaver called Rockstar.
Oh yeah, I've heard about them. Quite nice.
So this opens up like this. You tie it anywhere.
Okay.
You zip it, and all you do is yank. That's it.
Very nice.
Now, of course, we need to carry so many things on a ride.
True.
and especially when you are riding long, from chain loop to spare parts to accessories to a toolkit to what we will just show you is, which I think is a game changer. We'll just come to that. And also, personally, I don't like stuffing my pockets.
Same here, even I don't.
So what this does,
Sunglasses and all can
yes,
come
what
here.
this does is just at one easy zip away. Again, so this is my toolkit. That's a puncture kit. This is an inflator,
a small bottle of water.
water, and this is what I wanted to show you. This is an absolute gem. It's a relatively new product, and we being literally gearheads.
Wow.
So this is the Xiaomi inflator. It's battery powered,
Yeah.
and the beauty of this is,
Small.
yeah, you open it and it's on,
Correct.
and all you do is just adjust.
The PSI levels.
The
and
PSI level.
just hit the center button,
You
right?
put this on.
Wow.
That's it.
Amazing. And how long does it run? Can it inflate 2 tires in one battery?
So I have already inflated my tire, or rather topped up, about 5 times.
Wow.
And
In
this
one
thing-
charge?
Yeah, and this still has charge left. So of
Pretty
course
cool.
it will depend on vehicle to vehicle.
Correct.
Now the simplicity of this is what got me. I had another inflator earlier,
Yeah.
but then
I think a lot of people who tour, they've got that bulky one. No?
So I have that too on my Interceptor, but then there is a 12 volt. I need to plug it in, then the wire, and this.
Don't
is-
need anything. Just one charge and
this
you're good
stays
for
here.
one ride.
Yes, and plus this tank bag comes with pockets. It comes with its own rain cover.
Yeah.
And many people like tank bags. Some think they look a little bulky, but when you are touring, it's always function over form.
Yes.
So this is the setup, and and the other thing that I've noticed is, as we ride more and more, your ability to pack lighter grows.
Correct.
I remember on my first ride, which was many years back, I went for 5 days. I had 5 t-shirts, 5 jeans, 5 socks.
It's not the same anymore. That's why I'm happy with my one top case. I keep everything in that, and I'm
Yeah, but it still looks horrible. So let's not go
okay.
there.
I love it.
And so yeah, this is pretty much it. Yeah, nothing complicated, nothing fancy. The bungee cord which you didn't want is here. See, the tail bag is phenomenal because it gives you versatility like nothing else. Just put everything in, roll it up. This is weatherproof.
Yeah, it says dry bag.
So rain, water, sun, snow, it will take it all. Saddlebags, you need to be a little careful because you need to put equal amount of weight in it.
Oh yes. So there's no.
You can't disbalance it.
Yep. Especially when you're going to the mountains.
Correct.
When you're leaning.
And also when you are going on a very long ride, when I say long ride, it's between 5 to 10 days. Putting everything in one bag is like going to be having a giant bag. It becomes very heavy, and often your hotel or homestay is 100 meters down or 500 meters up. Therefore, if you have smaller pieces of luggage,
So you can do it in
yes,
3 to 4 rounds.
it gives you the versatility of leaving something on the bike.
Correct.
So that's it, and these saddlebags are nifty. They come with these handles as well, so you can just take it off.
And the color is quite high visibility.
Correct. That's it. And sometimes when and it's important that we discuss this. So on some rides of ours, there is this biker friend of ours who comes in a car.
Yeah. Yeah, he does.
And you know him. So that is, but he's also.
I'm not talking about Priyank.
Okay. but he's also an angel, so
yeah.
so sometimes we just dump our luggage
Yeah, in the car.
because the dynamics of the bike with luggage and without luggage is a completely different.
Absolutely. Especially in the mountains, you have to be unloaded.
Correct. And
It's a pleasure riding without any luggage.
yeah. So that's it, yeah. And like always, this is what we use. So it's nothing very fancy or nothing very complicated. If you have any specific questions, if you would like to know more about anything that you've seen, please
Write an email to me, sumit@happinessperkm.com. And also don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel called Happiness Per KM.
Just to wrap up, so we've done a total of 5 to 6 episodes where we've covered helmets, we've covered jackets, we've covered gloves and boots, we've covered riding pants, and we've covered luggage now.
And in case you have some suggestions on what should we cover more, you can again write to me at sumit@happinessperkm.com.
And just lastly, at Happiness Per KM, we are about 5 of us. We use different brands, different setups, but between the 5 of us, we pretty much cover the entire spectrum. So if there is any specific piece of equipment that you would like to see which you haven't seen, just write into us and we'll try and review it for you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.